Hi guys, markets in 3 minutes with interesting picks for the week. Gold prices moving higher, silver moving higher as well, maybe, and the crypto market is kind of in interesting areas. First of all, let's start with the risk sentiment. We have the S&P 500, record new motivation in this market after the breakout earlier in the week. But the gold price is obviously showing us the interesting point. At the moment, gold has been starting or has been approaching an important support level. What if this area falls? We have a trade deal potentially between the US and China, initiated by Donald Trump, and the positive sentiment this sends across markets in general, causing the gold markets to be at tricky situations or at a tricky situation. Weakness might be on the cards. Weakness in gold might hence be the outcome at some point. The US dollar, you might say, is going to weaken. Why should this impact gold to the downside? Well, the risk sentiment is the key driver in this market, and the key sentiment or the key driver in regards to the risk sentiment now causing the gold price to weaken further. The geopolitical tensions are easing, so we don't have much of the story or much of a story which is currently supporting gold prices moving higher. Instead, we have the exact opposite potentially being key. The gold price might fall further. Silver, on the other hand, is just doing the exact opposite. Silver seems to be favored by some upside motivation. If the geopolitical tensions are easing, if the economic activity is rising again further, if more demand is coming from the economic sector on a global scale, this might be one of the points which could basically cause the silver market to break higher. Plus, we have this 50 moving average here in blue color, kind of extended in orange, which is pushing the market potentially higher as well. Any breakout, at least above this level, could indicate the market might rise. Vice versa, downside motivation being on the cards as well, whereas the upside momentum looks more feasible first of all and for now. Last but not least, we want to talk about obviously the Bitcoin market. Crypto space has been super interesting. The market is about to break above the high point here. That might be a new crypto summer coming up. The market's correction was happening right at the 50 moving average, which had been a support area various times in the past. For our subscribers, we talked about this in the past as well. So guys, the upside here might take a bit of time with a bit of a detour, potentially slightly corrective in nature, first of all, but then we don't see any of the reasons why a Bitcoin should not break to the upside. Bitcoin positive, markets in general positive as well. Guys, stay tuned. See you then. Take care, everyone, and have a good day trading. Bye-bye.